Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove an external bank account from Discover Cashback Debit checking account. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for bank accounts. Click on your Cashback Debit checking account. Then you will see several options at the upper part of this page. Click on Transfers. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Manage External Accounts. Click on Manage External Accounts. On this page, you will see the list of all of your external accounts. Click on the Delete icon beside the external account you wish to remove. Then, a pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to delete the external account. To confirm, click on the Yes button. That's how you remove an external bank account from your Discover Cashback Debit checking account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.